हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू योगबेला। आई एम प्रीति। आज है डे 24। थीम है ब्रेक योर लिमिट्स। जैसे कि मैंने कल मेंशन किया था, आज का सेशन बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है। आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं? आज के सेशन में है 2 आसनास, 2 पोस्चर्स। आपको सेलेक्ट करना है उनमें से एक जो कि आप होल्ड करोगे फॉर लिटिल लॉन्गर देन यूजुअल। तो पहला पोस्चर है प्लैंक एंड सेकेंड है चेयर पोज अगेंस्ट द वॉल। तो आपके अगर शोल्डर्स में स्टिफनेस है, इशू है, कोई प्रॉब्लम है, इन दैट केस गो फॉर चेयर पोज अगेंस्ट द वॉल। और अगर आप नीज में कोई पेन एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हो, एंकल में, इन दैट केस गो फॉर प्लैंक। चैलेंज स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको देती हूँ 3 टिप्स विच विल हेल्प यू इन ब्रेकिंग योर लिमिट्स। फर्स्ट, make sure that your alignment is apt. Second, your gaze should be fixed at one point. Third, don't look at stopwatch. So let's get started. So I'm giving you 2 posture. You can pick one for yourself. First one is plank and the other one is chair pose against the wall. So first I'll tell you the alignments of plank. Keep your forearms down. Elbow comes right under your shoulder. Entire body is in one line. Gaze ahead. You can interlock your fingers or you can place your palms down, up to you. Core engaged. This is how the posture looks like. Now for pose 2, I'm going against the wall. So those were the alignments of plank. Second pose is chair pose. For this one, stay away from the wall. Buttocks in touch with the wall. Entire spine is in touch with the wall. Allow your hips to sink down in such a way that your knees and hips are in one line. Knees and ankle are also in one line. You can place both the palms on your thighs or you can extend your arms up to you. So I've decided to go for chair pose. Whichever pose you have decided, get into the alignments of that pose. I have kept my stopwatch here. You can pause here, get a stopwatch for yourself, or you can ask somebody to keep a track of you. I will suggest that don't look at the watch. And so we will start now. तो फिर start करते हैं. First I'll get into the posture and then I'll start. ओके, स्टार्ट हो गया। Just focus on your breath. Fixing gaze at one point helps. फोकस शुड बी ऑन योर अलाइनमेंट। बॉडी में हो रही सेंसेशन से बहुत ज़्यादा अटैच होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। Okay. जिस पॉइंट पे हमें ये लगता है कि अब हो गया, दैट इज द पॉइंट, चैलेंज स्टार्ट्स. So mine started now. I am feeling a lot in my quadriceps and I'm enjoying it. Okay, I'm shivering now. Whew. I think I should drop. Okay. Oh. कितना हुआ?
4 minutes.
What? Oh my god. It was a good one. I never did it for 4 minutes. 2 minutes max था मेरा. आपका कितना हुआ? Share your time in the comment section. Did you break your limits? I definitely did. Mine was chair pose and I held it for almost 4 minutes. For you, which pose did you select and for how long did you hold? Share along with your experience in the comment section. I'll see you tomorrow. Kal hai inner peace. Till then, take care. Namaste.